Hey everyone, today I want to break down something that sounds complicated but is actually super important. Psychosocial rehabilitation. I know it's a mouthful, but stick with me and you'll get why this matters. So, what is psychosocial rehabilitation? In simple terms, it's a way to help people recovering from mental health challenges get back on their feet, socially and emotionally. It's not about fixing somebody, it's about helping them learn the skills, confidence and connections they need to live a fulfilling life. Let me walk you through how it works, step by step. Step 1. Assessment. This is where professionals get to know the person. What are their strengths? What challenges are they facing? What goals do they want to reach? It's not a one-size-fits-all approach, it's personal. Step 2. Planning. Together, they develop a plan. Building social skills, finding a job, managing daily routines better. The plan is practical and focused on real-life goals. Step 3. Skill building. This is where the action happens. Imagine practicing how to manage stress, communicate clearly, or even cook a meal. Sometimes it's in a group, sometimes one-on-one. The goal is to turn small wins into bigger victories. Step 4. Support. No one does this alone. Family, friends, professionals. Form a network, a safety net. They cheer you on. They help you when you stumble. They celebrate your progress. And finally, step 5. Integration. This means taking what you've learned and using it out in the real world. Getting a job, joining a club, feeling comfortable in social situations again. So why does this matter? Because mental health isn't just about what's going on in your mind, your relationships, your community, your sense of purpose. Psychosocial rehabilitation helps people reconnect with those things step by step. The big idea here? Recovery is possible. And psychosocial rehabilitation gives them real tools to do it. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, no-nonsense explanations. Remember, understanding is the first step toward change. Thanks for watching and take care.